On its top plate is a film simulation dial, and, like those on the XM5 and X-T50, there are 3 customizable positions. But, unlike those models, the X-E5 lets you do more than just assign a film sim. Instead, you can assign what X users have come to call recipes. For each of the FS positions, you can separately assign settings such as contrast, highlight and shadow curves, color chrome effects, and grain. These are retained just for that position on the dial, meaning you can jump back to that preset without having to mess around with custom settings. You can even set a button up to toggle the recipe components on and off if you want to revert back to the basic film simulation. So here's the thing. Back at the birth of the X series, the word kaizen became associated with Fujifilm and its cameras. It's a Japanese word that refers to an ethos of continuous improvement. Fujifilm was working out how its cameras should operate as it went, and would often deliver these improvements back to existing models via firmware updates. This has become less common now that the big omissions and quirks have mostly been addressed. But this idea of constantly looking for ways to improve its products sprang back to mind when we saw the new Fujifilm X-E5. We don't yet know whether this feature will make its way retroactively into the XM5 and X-T50. Fujifilm may think those users aren't recipe adopters. But at least in terms of continuous improvement and listening to its users, we do feel that just a sprinkle of kaizen has made its way into the ingredients of the X-E5.